Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you requested a login email but it never arrived. You are currently basically waiting. Where's my email? Why can't I see the login email? Basically there is nothing on your inbox. So in today's small tutorial we want to go through how to fix the login email not received in Perplexity AI. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So when we talk about email, we usually talk about the spam or the junk folder. This is the most common fix, according to Perplexity support. Check your spam or junk folder for an email from basically the app and look for it, mark it as not spam or not junk at least. Then move it to your inbox. Important. Spam filters exist in two places. Your email provider, talking about Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook, and your email app, for example, Thunderbird or even Outlook. Make sure to check both. Add Perplexity to save senders. Basically add team mail.perplexity.ai to your save senders list. This prevents future emails from being blocked. Instructions for Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, iCloud, Proton, and even Zoho are in the official help. So make sure to check them out as well. Just go and tap, for example, how to add this email to my save senders list, and they're gonna basically take you to a whole another page where you can easily follow these steps. Also try to verify your email address, double check you entered the correct one. A simple typo can prevent delivery. If using app relay or hide my email, ensure emails are being forwarded correctly. And that's the whole idea. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.